Students, as you all know, yesterday I have completed up to this fourth exercise. Today I am going to begin with the next exercise. This is your adverbs. Adverbs I have taught you in the previous classes also that it add more to verbs. Na? So, like bravely, loudly, painfully, swiftly, these are the adverbs. Immediately, straight, smoothly, carefully, gracefully. Na? So, what is given in the statement? Choose suitable adverbs from the box to add to the sentences given below. He wrote a letter to his sister. You have to add adverb like this. He wrote a letter to his sister yesterday. At the end, you add adverb yesterday. He faced the tiger bravely. Bravely word is given here. This is second one. You have to write this. And yesterday, this is the first one. You have to write in the first. Okay. Next, the man with the bad leg climbed the mountain track. So, the man with the bad leg climbed the mountain track at the last carefully. Carefully word is given here. This is the third one. Okay. Come to the next. The arrow flew through the air at the target. In this, you have to add adverb. The arrow flew straight through the air at the target. So, straight word is given here. It is fourth one. Come to the next. I am going to my father's house. This is the given statement. You have to add the adverb. It is at the last tomorrow. I am going to my father's house tomorrow. This is the fifth one. You have to add in the sentence. The man with the bundle shouted at his donkey. In this, you can add at the last angrily. Angrily is the adverb. You have to add it. Next, the girl danced. Here it will come beautifully. Beautifully. The girl danced beautifully but did not sing at all. So, beautifully word is also given this one. You have to add it into this. Okay. Come to the next. The boy sped down the steep road on his cycle. So, it will come here. The boy sped down the steep road on his cycle smoothly. Smoothly will come here. This is the adverb. Okay. Smoothly word is given here. This one. This is the last one. H. Okay. Come to the next. Change the following into questions. First sentence is given. A salesman can travel far. In the previous class, I told you that you have to bring the verb in front. Na? So, can is given. You can change it like this in a question. Can a salesman travel far? Travel far. At the last, you have to put the question mark also. So, it is changed into the question sentence. Sodium benzoate has a particular smell. You can write it into a question like this. Does sodium benzoate has a particular smell? has a particular smell. Last में question mark. The hotel's rooms are not expensive. This one is A. This is your B. This is your C. The hotel's rooms are not expensive. You have to change it like this. Are the hotel's rooms expensive? You can change it like this. Okay. Come to the next one. The cash drawer is full of notes. You can change it like this. D. Is given in the sentence as a verb. Is the cash drawer full of notes? Full of notes. At the last, put the question mark also. Come to the next page. Next page. Nagpur is a place in Madhya Pradesh. You can change it like this. Bring is in the front. Is Nagpur a place in Madhya Pradesh? Okay, it is clear now. You have to write all the sentences like this as I have given. The salesman goods are offered at a discount. So you can take are is verb given. Are the salesman's goods offered at a discount? At a discount. You can change, and at the last you have to put the question mark also. Question mark is very essential because it is we are changing it into question sentences, na? So it is clear to you all. You all have to complete as I have given in this book with the help of pencil only. You have to do it into the book only. Okay, beta? Thank you.